Pineapple Leche Flan using our Aukey Air Fryer. Before we continue, I would like to thank all of our subscribers. We have gained another 250 subscribers in a period of 1 month. I wasn't able to put in any new videos because my personal life got a little busy, but we're here again, we're back, and hopefully you guys would like our video. For any tips, any suggestions that you would like us to feature, just kindly comment below, and of course please do like, share, and subscribe this video, and always watch from start to finish because we always have this mystery ingredient that makes our dish more delicious. Once again, stay tuned and enjoy watching. We will make a simple dessert using our air fryer oven. We will now be making pineapple leche flan. We will be needing 4 simple ingredients, and of course we still have our mystery ingredient that we will show during our show or video. First, we will need 1/2 can of condensed milk, 1/2 can of evaporated milk, 6 eggs. We will only be needing the yolk, and our pineapple slices. Now we will separate the egg yolk from the egg white. We will add in our 1/2 can of condensed milk, and our 1/2 can of evaporated milk, and we will mix it all together. we will remove the water inside these pineapple slices. Okay, we will just remove the water or syrup inside this pineapple slices. Okay, now our mystery ingredient is honey. We will put this one on the base of our pan so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Okay, we will put in just a teaspoon or a tablespoon of honey just to cover the bottom of our tray. Okay, once it's fully covered, we will put in our pineapple slices. Now we will pour in our leche flan mixture to it. We will now bake this one inside our air fryer oven. Okay, we will open our Aukey Air Fryer Oven. Okay, now we did put our aluminum foil inside the air fryer oven. Note that we have to fold some of its end in order for it to fit in our air fryer oven. We can use a smaller container for this one, or we can use this. It's just enough. You just have to fold some of the sides. Okay, now we will close this and we will bake. We will air fryer oven bake our pineapple leche flan for like 20 minutes on 325 degrees. Okay, so we will press the menu. Okay, we will air fryer bake our pineapple leche flan. The bake button is right here. We will move it using the menu. Okay, it's the third button to your right, and then it's already set to 325, and we'll just increase the time to like 20 minutes. Okay, and press the start. Okay, now it's all set. We just have to wait till our dessert cooks. Now we will check if our pineapple leche flan is already fryer oven, and we will insert a toothpick to it. If the toothpick comes out clean, it means that it's cooked already and it's already baked into perfection. Now we will remove our pineapple leche flan in the mold and transfer it to the plate. Okay, we will use a thin spatula to do it, so the figure of our leche flan or pineapple leche flan will still be good. Now here is our air fryer oven pineapple leche flan. We will slice it to taste. Okay, we did slice a portion of it, and now we're gonna taste it. You can see the pineapple on the inside and the leche flan, of course. Tastes delicious. You can taste the leche flan and the pineapple. And it's really easy to make, only a few ingredients, using our Aukey Air Fryer Oven. We already made a simple yet delicious dessert. Once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any dishes that you want us to feature on this channel. Take care and God bless. Bye.